If you are into sustainable living but do not want to be separate with technologies, you probably want to take a look at today's video, as we have listed some best smart living gadgets for sustainable life. Drumi Sustainable Laundry Machine. The sustainable laundry machine can wash your clothes vigorously and effectively without electricity. You just need to fill it with your dirty clothes and detergents and water, then tap it with your foot. Thus, you can minimize the use of detergents and you can stay fit while tapping on the machine. This Tesla solar roof sun-powered Shingles comes with a 25-year warranty and are solar roofing tiles that captures the sun's energy that you can use later on to supply your electricity needs. This roofing can store solar energy in each tile. Tesla Powerwall Home Battery. This home battery gets its electricity generated from solar panels and powers that you put on your home. You can also use this battery in the evening when the solar energy isn't available. It also supplies backup electricity in case you need more power than you expect. This home battery is offered in 10 kW weekly cycle and 7 kW daily cycle models. Home Microgreen Kit. This Hamama Microgreens kit lets you grow your own greens. You just need to water the seed quilt once and you'll have your healthy greens anytime. Luti AC 200 Portable Solar Power Station. This power station lets you charge up to 17 devices at once. With AC, DC, Type-C, USB, and wireless port, you can charge your devices all at once. This portable power station generates its electricity and power through the sun. It can also handle larger appliances such as refrigerator, coffee machine, or power tools.